Model 3 Wireless Phone Charger. Stay charged with the Model 3 wireless phone charger designed exclusively by Tesla. Featuring a non-slip, silicone surface with easy installation and enough power to charge 2 phones at once, the wireless phone charger is perfect for any sized device. Simply place your 𝗙𝐶-enabled smartphone on the center console's phone tray for a quick and secure charge without cables. Frequently asked questions: Model 3 Tesla charger. Power is transferred wirelessly through a process known as magnetic induction, which occurs between a transmitter coil charging dock and receiver coil phone. This magnetic field generated by the transmitter coil induces a voltage in the receiver coil, which is used to charge your phone's battery. iPhone 8 or later, plus Galaxy, Note 9, S9, S9 Plus, Note 8, S8, S8 Plus, S7, S7 Edge, Note 5, S6 Edge Plus, S6 Edge, S6 and various 𝗙𝐶-certified phones from other manufacturers can be used with the Model 3 wireless phone charger. It is best to check your phone's instructions to verify its wireless 𝗙 charging capability. 𝗙 is an open standard which ensures the safe and compatible operation of wireless charging devices within its ecosystem. Thin, non-metallized cases are supported. Large cases may not support wireless charging. The wireless phone charger be easily installed at home. Please follow the installation instructions below. What is included with the wireless phone charger? 1 charging pad with docking for 2 phones. 1 decor bar. 2 USB-A cables. How is the wireless phone charger powered? Each dock is powered by its own USB-A cable plugged into the ports located in the front of Model 3's center console. If you wish to use dashcam, unplug a dock not in use and insert your configured USB flash drive. You can also use a USB-A male to dual USB-A female splitter. What is the power transfer output of the wireless phone charger? Each dock provides up to 5 watts of wireless power transfer.